Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway. Today on Unboxing Wednesday, we're going to do a bag. We're going to unbox some Fan RC blue parts, so join me as we do that. So we're going to cut this thing open and see what's inside it. This is designed to work with like his world car, graphite cars. We'll see what parts comes with it. Do not believe it comes with any ARs, but it comes with a lot of other stuff. So, see the blue wheels it comes with, and those are 3/16. Fronts are 3/16 as well. Comes with caster blocks, steering blocks, lower spring buckets. It's like all your, lots of lower spring buckets, lots of options there. Rod ends, front bulkhead, bell crank, battery cup, battery braces in there, blue wing buttons, blue rear bulkhead, blue body post, a blue transmission case, hub carriers, and suspension arm mounts, dust cover, blue bumper, antenna mounts. So pretty much everything but the A-arms. So nice kit. You could upgrade your car or change it over to blue, and you could do some A-arms with some dye that are white, maybe yellow, or get creative with it. So something new from Fan RC. I thought I'd go over it with you guys so you guys could see it firsthand and what it was. And it does not come with the suspension arms once again, but it does come with all the other blue goodies. So check it out, Go Fast Hobbies, and I'll talk to you next week.